Welcome back to my channel on 91 Motors. This is KTM Duke 125cc 2022 plate. In this video we're going to remove this old radiator, cooling radiator, and we're going to replace it with a new one. And I'll show you that step by step. So just before we remove this radiator, let me tell you the next video going to be pretty interesting. I'm going to replace all this frame in here. So basically rear end completely will come off. As you see, it's damaged in here, and I got brand spanking new inside the garage already. So all this rear end will come off of this bike, absolutely, and I'll show you step by step how to replace that. I think it's going to be really good video. But let's crack on with this radiator and remove this thingy off. So as you see, this side is completely damaged. So basically we start to remove this bracket. So basically you got the plastic coming around this radiator. But I did remove this plastic, as you see, very easy. 1, 2, 2 in this side, 2 in that side, and also we got 2 boys in here. That's your plastic coming off, and these boys in here, and that's it basically. Now you remove 1 and 2 guys up there. This one will be removed already. So we remove these boys. There's a top mount bracket, whatever you call. So as you see, it moves a little bit already there. So now we remove this 10mm, this side 10mm, that side. So as you see, we remove 10mm from this side and it comes off already, pretty easy. There is a pipe in here as well, remember. And let's crack on with another side and remove that. So we come to this side, so we remove this boy in here and this boy in here just before we remove this bracket. So we got 1, 2, these 2 boys off. So we then remove this boy from here, and basically the radiator is coming out. So guys, the radiator is off. As you see, basically the last thing was connector in here, which is just this one in here. There is another one, but I don't know, maybe that's for some light, but that's your connector in here. It's not these 2, but this one in here. And basically that's it. So 1, 2 hoses in here, 3 hoses, 1, 2 10mm on the bottom and a 10mm on the top, and your radiator is off. This is completely damaged, but I got another one, so I think gonna keep this boy in, because I don't think on my new one I have this thing in here. So let's remove this boy in here, 10 mils, and place it on a new one. So everything is back together. Basically now we can put back on this plug in here, the plug, and then all the pipes going back on this radiator as well. So all the pipes are back on, the bottom one, the little top one, plug is back as well, and also this big boy in here as well is on. So basically now we just got left to put everything back together, like a 2 bolts on the top, 2 on the bottom, and basically tighten them up and start to put the plastic back. Easy job. So the radiator is perfectly on, everything connected. Also I put the fairings back on already. I mean, it looks good. So the job is not the hardest one, definitely. It's actually pretty easy. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. As I said, and I'm gonna mention it again, this is going to be probably the biggest job I did in this bike, and I'm sure there is no second video like this in YouTube. So this frame will be replaced, and I'm actually gonna crack on with that video now, and video will come up very soon. Not only that, I got so many more parts to get in this bike. Also I got another bike up there to do it. That's a 2022 plate as well, not KTM though. And yeah, let's crack on and let's make another beautiful video how to replace this rear frame, complete frame, and all pieces will come up step by step. And yeah, hopefully This video will help you a little bit to change your radiator on the front in case it's been damaged or is leaking. It doesn't matter what's happened, you have to be replaced. Just see my video and hopefully that will help you out. Ta-da.